Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with GoBank, full guide step by step clearly. Start by downloading the GoBank app from your device's app store. Once downloaded, open the app and create an account using your email address. Follow the prompts to verify your identity and set a secure password. Next, link your bank account or set up direct deposit to fund your GoBank account. Access the dashboard to view your current balance and transaction history. Navigate to the budgeting feature by selecting Budget from the main menu. Set your spending categories such as groceries, entertainment, and bills. Input your income details to establish a clear financial overview. Allocate specific amounts for each category based on your income and expenses. Use the app to track your spending in real time against your budget. Receive notifications when you approach your spending limits in any category. Adjust your budget as needed based on changes in your income or expenses. Review your monthly spending reports for insights on your financial habits. Take advantage of the savings tools offered by GoBank to set financial goals. Consider using the roundup feature to save small amounts automatically. Stay committed to your budget by regularly checking in on your progress. Make adjustments to your spending habits based on the data provided by GoBank. Finally, revisit your budget every month to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.